Listen closely, because everything you've been told about growth, about scaling fast, about what works to explode your startup or project beyond social media ads, it's dead wrong. The real pain? You're stuck, pouring money into ads that barely move the needle, watching your growth flatline while others get lucky or scream louder. The frustration? Crushing. The endless cycle of hoping, tweaking, wasting time on shiny tools nobody talks about after a month. It's a nightmare that makes you question your vision, your value, your chance to change the game. But here's the brutal truth no one wants to admit. Viral growth isn't handed to you by ads. It's not clicks or likes or random shares. It's raw, relentless connection. Connection so electric that it charges your entire network and powers itself forward without you pushing. That spark? It comes from real humans, not pixels or algorithms. So stop chasing ghosts in the machine and start building fuel that the system can't swallow or ignore. Step 1. Cut the noise. Stop begging for attention with tired ads that scream but don't connect. Instead, create an obsession-worthy story. One so clear, so raw, so true that it burns through the screen and digs into their bones. What's your truth? What your product, your mission solves that no one else dares to claim? Nail that story. Speak not to who they are now, but who they dream to become. Because people don't buy products, they buy versions of themselves they want to embody. Make that impossible to resist. Step 2. Activate the few, not the many. Forget widecasts that drown in silence. Target those rare individuals, founders, investors, leaders who don't settle for easy, who carry fire in their chest and want you to feed it. Your growth is in the synergy between these few, brutal in its precision and power. Connect with them personally. Make them your co-creators, your heralds. Give them something exclusive, something that makes them part of a secret uprising, not just users, but warriors of your future. Step 3. Build momentum through brutal generosity. Give before you get. Drop knowledge bombs, not marketing fluff. Share tools, insights, networking chances that your competitors hide or sell at a premium. Empower your closest circle to grow stronger on your watch and watch them ignite others. This ripple is unstoppable because it's built on trust, on value, on real impact that no ad can fake. Step 4. Engineer your spread with design simplicity. Make sharing easier than blinking. Tools, messages, rituals that fit seamlessly into their lives. But don't dumb it down. Make it feel like an act of rebellion, a move that says, I'm part of something bigger. Embed triggers, stories, habits, rewards that create unbreakable loops of engagement and advocacy. This is your viral engine, hidden beneath soul, not sold in fancy dashboards. Step 5. Master relentless feedback. Growth that explodes comes from brutal listening. Real talk, not surveys or vanity metrics. Seek the fire, the pain points, the why don'ts, the silent no's hiding behind polite yes. Use that intelligence not just to tweak, but to pivot, to leap. Your product, your message, your whole mission must bend around reality, not your fantasies. This is your battlefield, and there is no room for comfort or hesitation. The world lies to you every day, telling you that freedom is easy, that growth is immediate, that viral means social ads. It's a lie. Real growth is war fought with connection, trust, obsession, and brutal generosity. So rise above the noise. Transcend the illusions. Build an autonomous network where your mission ignites those who hunger for more. Connect the few who dare to change everything. Fuel your fire with raw truth and relentless focus. This is the path to viral growth that scares the system. The kind that doesn't stop with a click, but with hearts and minds ignited and aligned. The kind that takes you from forgotten to unstoppable. Now, Stop waiting. Start unleashing this power and watch your world explode beyond the ads and algorithms into something real, wild, and free.